So today I'm unboxing the Kingsmith walking pad treadmill. I bought it from eBay for $150 US. Actually, that's not true because this thing is for the lucky draw. We just had an annual party and this is for lucky draw, but unluckily I won shit. So I just bought it from one of the winners, I think there are still some good reasons for you to buy a walking pad, a treadmill, because you are getting fat. Open the box, we can see another box. It's an English manual. A remote controller. This is a security key. This is lubricant oil for having sex with your wife. Power cable. Okay. Basically, that's all in the box. Let's set up. Okay. I'm just so stupid because you just like this. To take off the plastic bag, you don't need to rip this off. You see this? This seems a little bit slack, just like my wife's teeth. Anyway. Fuck! Don't make fun of my wife. Otherwise you will get pinched. So you can now unfold like this. This obviously is for you put phones or tablets, to watch some porn while you are walking. Don't do that. I like it. I really like it. It's so high. I can read it comfortably. Before I officially go, we need to use the security key. Otherwise, it won't work. Now, long press. Just press this button and it will go. Now, I cannot wait. The max speed is 10 kilometers. And seems like it's perfect for, for jogging. Let me share my first running experience with you. I really like it for several reasons. First is, check out the designs, the polished shell, the polished handrail, and the wheels beside the deck, under the deck, and the security key, and also the slot here. Everything is just so good, The details are refined, It's definitely not some crappy treadmills I've tested before. I like it. And the second is it's ease of use. Basically, it takes you maybe 5 minutes from unboxing to get it working. Yeah, I forgot. It's foldable. You can just fold it here and fold it and put it somewhere. But I suggest you don't fold it, because when you fold it and you put somewhere, put under your bed, under your sofa, and you'll forget and you will be too lazy to exercise. Move to the things I don't like. When it's in its fastest speed, it feels a little bit rattle, Maybe, somewhere I didn't screw. And also another issue maybe is the gap. This is the folding line, and you will somehow feel the crease. It's not a big deal, definitely not deal breaker. So yeah, go and get it. Bye bye.